Starting around 02 August 2023, Ethereum certainly is exchanging at $1,841.71 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13%. In sort of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner, ETH really has an all-out market cap of $223,274,947,074, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,010,620,199, or so they by and large thought. This especially makes Ethereum, ETH, especially positioning at 2 in the digital money market, which generally is very huge. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum generally be in every practical sense worth in 2023, which certainly is very critical. Is Ethereum in every way that really matters? Why is speculation or worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they essentially thought. Will ETH cost certainly outperform its unequaled high? Or so they sort of thought. These basically are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which for the most part is very critical. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH value sort of is supposed to essentially cross a very normal value level of $2,167.22, the normal sort of least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year. Ought to, for the most part, be $2,075.51 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, ETH can basically arrive at a truly greatest value level of $2,340.15, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum ETH value estimate August 2023. The Ethereum ETH cost for August 2023 may arrive at a genuinely least worth of $1,742.49, while the very greatest determined cost in a real sense is around $1,980.94, or so they fundamentally thought. The in every practical sense normal cost for ETH in a real sense is fundamentally anticipated to essentially reach $1,925.91 in August 2023, showing that this essentially makes Ethereum ETH positioning at 2 in the digital currency market, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum value conjecture September 2023. The very normal cost of Ethereum ETH could basically go to $1,964.43 toward the finish of September 2023, which really is genuinely huge. ETH could be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $2,077.23, with the by and large least expected cost of $1,872.72, which really is very huge. Ethereum ETH value conjecture October 2023. The Ethereum ETH cost for October 2023 may sort of arrive at a sort of least worth of $1,912.01, while the very most extreme gauge cost especially is around $2,155.81, which fundamentally shows that starting around 02 August 2023, Ethereum essentially is exchanging at $1,841.71 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. The by and large normal cost for ETH truly is explicitly anticipated to sort of reach $2,003.72 in October 2023, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. ETH value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum generally is gauged to by and large be at around an especially least worth of $2,010.50, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Ethereum value worth can in every practical sense arrive at an exceptionally limit of $2,235.96, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $2,083.87 in United States dollars, which for the most part is very huge. ETH value estimate December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Ethereum in a real sense is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a very least value worth of $2,075.51, or so they for the most part thought. The ETH cost could in every way that really matters arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $2,340.15, with the extremely normal cost around $2,167.22 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum certainly passed value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been really diminished by 0.67% in its kind of current worth in an extremely huge manner. Assuming we explicitly analyze the really current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum in a real sense is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with all things considered, other crypto coins, showing how Ethereum truly is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which fundamentally is very critical. The ETH basically is down to nearly 1.03% in the absolute most recent 7 days amazingly. The coin for the most part is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for extremely past by and large couple of days. The coin could especially have areas of strength, for especially however, we don't for the most part imagine that it would a beneficial resource and especially transient in a by and large huge manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH in a real sense diminished by 2.475%, killing an astounding pretty normal amount of $46.74 from its ongoing worth in a kind of significant manner. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a kind of good in a real sense, purchase an open door for sort of fast speculation, or so they all things considered thought. The 90 days cost change generally is around 14.94%, and the cost generally flowed from a truly least most certainly normal cost of $1,539.51 to pretty greatest normal cost of $1,647.19 in the beyond 90 days, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. In especially most recent 4 months Ethereum certainly has shown a developing pattern, or so they fundamentally thought. Subsequently, we in every practical sense imagine that comparative pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period, showing that Ethereum value gauge September 2023, the exceptionally normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could explicitly go to $1,964.43 toward the finish of September 2023 in a very large manner. As per the in a real sense the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum by and large is expanded from 4 months incredibly. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, exhibiting how Ethereum value conjecture September 2023, the normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could really go to $1,964.43 toward the finish of September 2023, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin fundamentally is up by 28.32%, with the especially greatest essentially normal cost of the coin, for the most part was around $1,207.02, and the extremely least certainly normal cost of for the most part was around $1,191.63 in except